Warning! Your big attention is required, as your life is about to change forever after this video. Imagine if, in minutes from now, you could get access to a never-seen-before AI app that creates stunning DIY sites in red-hot trending niches with done-for-you gardening and woodworking websites, with built-in self-selling online stores, preloaded with 10,000 DIY PLR assets, 1,000-plus DFY gardening courses, 5,000-plus woodwork courses, 2,000-plus housing and furniture courses, 1,000-plus gardening kits and tools, 1,000-plus kitchen remodel courses, high-quality organic seeds, DFY wood carving video courses, and much more, in any language in less than 60 seconds. And not just that, you can even sell these high-in-demand DIY niche sites and video courses on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa, while earning an extra $872.92 on complete autopilot. Sounds like a massive life-changing opportunity? Look, due to the ongoing recession, markets are crashing, and the cost of living is skyrocketing. People are in a panic and constantly searching for ways to save their hard-earned money. This has led to a boom in the DIY, do-it-yourself niche industries like gardening, woodworking, home improvement, furniture building, kitchen remodeling, and more. And people are buying DIY gardening courses, woodworking guides, furniture and kitchen remodeling tutorials, and all sorts of kits and tools from DIY online stores like there is no tomorrow. Hence, the demand for DIY niche sites and stores is rising fast, with no signs of slowing down. And to your surprise, the DIY industry isn't just thriving. It's exploding in growth like never before. And as per the latest report by the Forbes, in 2024, the DIY niche industry is worth $740 billion and is projected to reach $1 trillion by 2027. More than 100,000 DIY gardening and woodworking sites are created and sold daily. Over 80 million DIY gardening tools and kits are sold daily online through their online stores, generating over $470 million in sales daily. The demand for online DIY courses in red-hot niches like home improvements, kitchen remodeling, and furniture building has increased by 200% more in 2024. The DIY gardening and woodworking industry covers 67% of the entire internet revenue. And a DIY niche online store owner makes at least $100,000 a year, selling DIY gardening, woodworking, home improvement, and furniture building products and tools. Hence, there is no doubt why creating and selling DIY gardening and woodworking sites with preloaded online stores is the hottest business opportunity right now. And seeing this huge profit potential and limitless possibilities of the DIY industry, we decided to give it a try. But we quickly ran into a major problem. Creating DIY sites and online stores in your preferred niches is not easy at all. It comes at a premium price and hard work. Creating DIY niche websites and stores in multiple categories, like gardening, furniture, kitchen, and woodworking, requires lots of coding, HTML, and technical knowledge, and buying expensive third-party website and e-com store builders like ClickFunnels, Wix, and Shipify could easily cost you $297 monthly, and hiring expensive website developers and freelancers could easily cost you thousands of dollars, leaving your wallet empty. But what if there was a better way, where you can easily create, customize, and launch your very own DIY sites and online stores, preloaded with DFY gardening, furniture building, kitchen modeling courses and tools, in any language without spending a single dime? Introducing DIY Niche Sites, a revolutionary, never-seen-before AI app that creates stunning DIY sites in red-hot trending niches with done-for-you gardening and woodworking websites, with built-in self-selling online stores, preloaded with thousands of DIY video courses, tools, and much more, in any language in less than 60 seconds. And that's not all. Here's where it gets even better. In just 2 clicks, you can even sell these high-in-demand DIY niche sites with done-for-you online stores and video courses on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa, while earning an extra $872.92 on complete autopilot. Finally, this groundbreaking 2024 AI tech lets you create stunning DIY niche websites and online stores in red-hot trending niches with 1 click, no writing, designing, or coding required. Launch your very own self-selling DIY online stores in your preferred languages. Instantly load your website and online store with 10,000 DIY PLR assets, video courses, guides, PDFs, ebooks, and much more. Launch your very own DIY gardening sites and online store with 1,000 plus DIY gardening video courses, 500 plus gardening tools and kits, organic vegetables, seeds, and much more. Access our done-for-you 5,000 to plus woodworking video courses and guides. Create and launch DIY home improvement online store, preloaded with 2,000 plus home improvement videos and toolkits. Access our done-for-you 1,000 plus furniture building and kitchen remodeling courses and toolkits. Create and launch your dream DIY websites and online stores in 40 different niches and in any language you want. Sell high-in-demand DIY, do-it-yourself videos, websites, online stores, and toolkits on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa for maximum profits. Instantly add any video from YouTube on your website with one click. DIY Niche Sites gets updated daily, automatically with the latest DIY niche-related news and blogs. Add unlimited custom domains and subdomains without any restrictions. Built-in unlimited lifetime web hosting included, with 100% uptime guarantee. Pick from thousands of our stunning DIY website templates across various categories, all done for you. Built-in DIY niche blog. Writer, generate engaging DIY blog posts and articles for your websites and skyrocket your traffic and sales instantly. Collect unlimited potential buyers from your online store with built-in lead finder technology. Rank your DIY sites and stores on the first page of Google with our automated SEO ranking tools. Built-in automatic device responsiveness. Easily integrate your sites and online stores with social media platforms. AI-driven live chat support for real-time assistance. And the best part? You can get all this done in under 60 seconds, just with a single keyword command. Finally, this next-gen futuristic DIY niche site creator AI app lets you say goodbye to the hassle of creating DIY sites on your own. Say goodbye to the expensive third-party website and online store apps and freelancers. Time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary DIY niche site builder while driving automated sales and traffic on complete autopilot. Look, DIY niche sites is a brand new, game-changing revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1, give a text or prompt command, and it will start creating your stunning DIY site and online store in your preferred niche and as per your style and demand. Step 2, effortlessly customize and add our done-for-you DIY video courses, tools, and products to the website with our drag-and-drop builder. Step 3, start profiting by selling these high-in-demand DIY sites preloaded with DIY PLRs, online stores, video courses, and more on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa while earning $872.92 on complete autopilot. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you create, customize, and launch your DIY sites and online store in any language in under 60 seconds? There isn't. So, what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to DIY niche sites, just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. Then do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision. Anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below to get a copy of DIY niche sites at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.